Good morning and welcome to another one of my days in life in Miami videos. Today is Monday and this morning I've been doing lots of things at home, working on cleaning the apartment, but now I'm gonna go meet the girls for lunch and I'm really excited because some more people arrived here in Miami from the Netherlands, so we're all gonna go have lunch together with the girls and I'm so excited about that, so let's go! So it was definitely time for me to do a little update. Tuesday morning I went running and that was so good. I hadn't gone running for a while, so it was definitely good for me to get back into it. And it was really nice because it was very cloudy, so it was perfect running conditions. Other than that, the last couple of days I've been taking it really easy. I've just been home a lot. I've done a lot of house work and also working on my next Miami Moments episode, which I think is gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited. It will obviously already be up when you're seeing this, so go check it out if you haven't already. But yeah, I think it's a really fun one. And then yesterday night we actually went to a Miami Heat game, which is my first ever basketball game, and I was so excited. Good evening. Today I'm gonna go to my very first basketball game. I'm so excited. So in previous vlogs I've already been to a baseball game, actually to two baseball games and an American football game, but today I'm going to go to my very first Miami Heat game and I'm so excited, so let's go! Going to this basketball game was so much fun. So previously I had been to two baseball games and one American football game, and I really enjoyed that as well. But this is, I think, my favorite because it was so much fun. There was so much happening the entire time. It was so exciting. The Miami Heat were playing the New York Knicks, and it was actually, at least for me, a really exciting game. They were really close to each other regarding points the whole time, so I was so hyped. It was just a lot of fun, especially seeing people dunk and hang on the basket. That was insane to me, so that was really exciting and I really loved it. And we got a little bucket hat, which I think is so cute. They were giving those away, so score. But yeah, that was really nice. I really want to go again because unfortunately not everybody could join, so I'm betting we will go another time, and I'm so excited to go another time because I had such a good time. Yeah, that was amazing. And then this morning I actually met up again with Linda and her mom, and we had another coffee, just the three of us, and it was so nice. We went to Pura Vida, and that's actually Linda's mom's favorite iced latte in Miami thus far, so that was really nice and it was really good. So we had a good time. It was really fun. And this afternoon I've just been editing some more, working on the Miami episode. It's actually exporting now, so it's ready to be uploaded. So the plan for this afternoon is to edit some more because I have a lot of nice videos lined up. I have everything filmed, I just need to edit them. And I think I'm gonna meet Chaitra for a quick little tea date, just to catch up and just see each other again. That's gonna be really nice. So that's the plan for this afternoon. today is Friday. It's already 4 and I'm gonna run downstairs because I'm gonna go meet Chaitra and Arya to go on a dog walk. So I'm so excited. Yeah, it's really nice that they live so close so we can go on these walks together very often. I'm enjoying that a lot. Also, this morning I went on another run and I've been also enjoying that a lot lately. I recently picked it up again and it's been so nice. I love running around Brickell Key. It's such a good running path. I can just focus on my run and not have to worry about traffic or stuff like that. And also it's a great distance for me because it's quite quick. So I can actually motivate myself to go because I know it's not a long run that I'm in for. So that's been really nice. So, okay, anyway, let's head downstairs and I'm gonna go meet Chaitra and we're gonna go on a walk. Good morning. Today we're going to Virginia Key.